The Kingdom of Tonga is not what you'd expect. If the world has any secrets left, Tonga might just be one of them. A tiny kingdom adrift in the South Pacific, where time doesn't move the way it does everywhere else. Here, the ocean decides the pace, and you just follow along. Tonga is made up of over 170 islands, spread across an ocean area roughly the same size as Japan. Of those islands, only 36 are inhabited. I came here with a camera, and to return to the water for the first time in nearly 5 years since my shark attack.
Do you leave? Yeah. Well, we have to look for the way. Yeah.
Tonga is one of the few places in the world you can still swim with whales.
Oh, mama.
I missed it.
I got it.
In Tonga, things move at a different pace. And on Sundays, by law and by tradition, almost everything stops. No work, no loud music, no fishing, and no flights between islands. By 10 a.m., everyone is dressed in white and woven tavala mats tied around their waists, a sign of respect. The singing is extraordinary, raw, layered, and full of harmony that makes your spine hum. It's one of those sounds you feel more than you hear. After church, families and friends get together for a traditional Tongan feast. The Tongans are some of the nicest people you'll ever meet, and their hospitality is unparalleled. And did I mention they really like to have a good time? But on Monday, we're back on the boat. Looking for whales in Tonga isn't always easy. Seas can be rough, and the water can be very cold. But once you find whales, it can be magic. There are certain days in your life that you can never forget. For me, it was the day nearly 5 years ago when my son and I were out photographing whales and a great white shark swam up and hit our boat, biting a hole in the bottom and sinking it. I was forced to fight off the shark, and my son and I needed to swim nearly 2 miles in to survive. Every day after that day, I had thought about the ocean, but it had taken nearly 5 years to get back in the water. This had been one of the most healing experiences of my entire life. Tonga is a land beyond description. or understanding. It is one of the most beautiful landscapes I've ever seen. One of the greatest parts about travel are the people you meet along the way, the people you get to share lasting memories with. Tonga stays with you long after you've returned home. Memories of these giants stays in your soul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow.